Platinum this week has, first of all, felt in value. We can see that the price formed a bearish breakout below 966.39 and then formed a bullish breakout above first resistance level, second resistance level, 985.84. Then the price on the next day formed this bullish candle again with larger wick on the upper side, and we can see the price continue to rise in value up to 1010.73. On Friday, the price formed a retrace from this area of resistance, forming this bearish candle and closing the day just in between this resistance and the support right here. Week has closed as a bullish candle. We can see after the price has formed this bullish breakout above 966.39, the price has confirmed this bullish breakout with the previous week candle not returning all the way back down below this support level, which usually means continuation of this bullish sentiment. And then this week the price has done just right that, continue to rise in value. But it has stopped just here, very close to this area. We can see that area of this small resistance on the weekly time frame. We can see the month has closed as a bullish candle. It is bullish engulfing candle right here at this support level, a support of the demand zone where the bulls are waiting. So for now the bulls have managed to push the price higher, but we can see that month has closed right here, could not reach 1033.42. So currently what I'm expecting, there is a high probability, at least for me, for the next month the price will reach 1033.42. Then we'll see what happens. Will the price manage again to make bullish breakout going above, reaching the area right here and then bounce back down? This is something much more clearly visible on the weekly and the daily especially time frames, where I will follow and each week make this analysis. And also during the week I also share the daily analysis inside the trading community. Now for this one, what I'm expecting on the weekly time frame, I need to see the price going above this area, but based on this bullish breakout I am seeing the price going higher and higher, reaching 1033.42 as a resistance level. Daily time frame shows me that there is a way 1010.73 that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise value up to 1033.42. After the price has formed this strong bullish candle retrace on the Friday, there is a probability for the price that the price returns all the way back down to the support level and then bounce back up. But first of all, in this case I would like to see where the price is heading. Will the price manage to form this bullish breakout above this one, or bearish breakout below this one support level? So for now I am waiting for the price to make a clean move, but weekly and also the monthly suggest further rise in value 1033.42. So we'll see what happens. This is the next target for the next month, but also I am on the daily time frame. I am waiting to see where the price will go, make a bullish or bearish breakout. Now how to make this support and the resistance level, this supply zone or this demand zone around the support level, and also how to trade this one on the Forex. I'm sharing a free PDF with the strategy I'm using, so you can also get that free PDF in your email. Just check the link below in the description and get it inside your email box. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.